Oh crap.
What? There it is. We got a severe thunderstorm warning, and the first time the advisory tone is on camera. Unrecognized statement. Actually, that's pretty bad, and I probably shouldn't be celebrating that. I was so focused on this going off, I forgot to turn off the 120 EZ. Oh yeah, just recently I learned that's the EZ, not the B, so I'm an idiot. And he says, yeah. Okay. Unrecognized statement. I've never gotten this before. My radios have relatively good reception for the crap amount of static in here. Shut up. Alright. So, to recap. Severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. And unrecognized statement.